Okay, baby.
You have to be proud of it. My brother, social media presenter, show your hands for Bini. You came to Europe 1999. Even though I 2 room and 1 parlor, your house is your house. Be proud of it. My brother, social media presenter, show your hands for Bini. You said the woman will give me house. You say collect house from me. I don't know what house where they give you. I don't know house where they give you or where they collect from you. I don't know house where they give you where they collect from you. I don't know. House where they give you where they collect for you. I don't know. When last I checked, this is my house in Benin City.
Where the house? Where the house? Hey, well now see us where man build. See us where man build. He said, na lie go even lie. Oh, this house have na rent. He still rent this house for his mama. See us. Now so your mate take the view house, me. Now so men take the view house. What did they call? We out here. Ajebo. See us when you build. Mamu when I'm wana here. He no see build damo. Na rent it there. Na rent this house. We know where this house there for Bini. Where if you carry this house, they say see house when he build. See house. Well, I see house when man for Europe. See house when he build though. You don't take care of children. Oh. Ajebo na mye ya wefe. Or agbelo romo. Make una see house when they say he build. You see the show, we out here. Atiti, you see the show Atiti house. See roofing see Zik went a roof house. This Zik not reach anything. Zik no clear. No, that's about below more after 30 years in Europe. The was about below more. Make una see house when they show don't know for me. This money I can use a buy ticket. I can't go to do that. I can't go meet Tony Kabaka. I go concert. You know, Tony me. Bo Duma. Go concert. No. See house. These two men, these two men at the bar with Atiti. They no feel in a mighty bag of Europe. Wa we are. Ne Ajebo na mye ya u efi. Mekuna asan. We school ipiki go from primary 1 to university level. If your children don't enter university, no matter how, your children go don't enter university. Make una ask Ajebo, ordinary crash, children getting school. Make una ask Ajebo, which one is children? Cause Ajebo children, now no matter how now they don't dey around that kind, 25, 26. Those children now they go there university now, or they want enter university. Make una ask Ajebo, which school your children don't grow go. The children can't reach to enter university. Ajebo no know. And if they talk, or hatikayo talk go on. Ajebo, you're not supposed to they talk. You are ashamed. Ajebo is a shameless man. Hey. I can't do. I be saying me I can't do makeup with this. Me I can't do makeup. I don't chop finish now. Sorry, I don't they work see so. I chop finish now. Sorry say make I relax more. You nere. And as I just see enter social media, you know kere Ajebo na ye gbe you know. I see where Ajebo they disgrace himself. Wanna ask Ajebo have $2. $2. Ajebo, where is your $2? Get off Facebook. Do not make noise anymore. Well, see, after many years, after 30 years, oh, we ain't bon, and on my box, see, no way ain't bon. Oh, you know, Binima go build us like this. Binima, you go build us like this. Okpe no gele yewe. Boy, ya bowa. This house self. Now Nigeria person, I build this house. When they Nigeria, now I see go rent this house. Give him mama did the house. At the end of the day, who that they show if face self? That they show them these people for the house self. I be no know waiting show. Not be this person day yes so. Or one destiny bagwa. I be one no destiny bagwa. No destiny bagwa. God forbid. The man no fit build this kind of house when be like Ogbo. Ogbo. I can't dey fool yourself. Guy, wagayo. Lawa, look at where I'm Ajabo, be ashamed of yourself. Get a fuck in, man. You should get a fuck in. Do not say anything. Shut up. After many years, you have been in Europe. Look at what you are showing to Europe people. That is your house that you built. You never own a house. That's not your house. Did you call that house? Do you call that house? Your mates, they are building hotel, rest house, oil and gas filling station. Some of your mates, they have ugbe cocoa. Man, bini man. The lawyer one, don't be no yo yegbe. Yeah, I go after you go be like say one blow. In the show at house. Oh, one here. Do you call the house? That is a bullshit. That is a home of shit, man. Oh, no, you know where you guess in your way. Even you where you guess in your way. I will tell Bini Tessie, make it come spit for your face. Oh, what total those lazy ass men. This is the kind of character. This is the kind of character they display on social media. Look at the way he just sat down, start ranting like a foolish man. This man that abandoned his children. He abandoned his $2. He don't know where his $2 is today, and he don't know the class, the level of her $2. The level of that education. Look at his mouth like uho. Oh, no see. Fawo. Just making noise, shouting. I don't know the kind of people that watch your disgrace on this social app. You are a disgrace to manhood. Look at what you are showing men like you. Everywhere you are, Bini man. You they fuck up. Bini man, they fuck up like this. Bini man, no neck bay. Yeah, fuck up. Look at them. They are in Lagos. They have a lot of building there in Lagos. They have hotel in Lagos. They have filling station in Lagos. At the end of the day, you are disgracing yourself. Look at what you are showing. Look at the house. Go one where bo. Oh, bicycle keke rider. What do you call them? Motorcycle rider and keke na pepper rider. Oh, one keke na pepper rider near in Nigeria. We know that these people, they manage, they take care of their children, they take care of their home, they take care of their wife, they even take care of their siblings. They will still manage to build a house for their his own children and his own wife. Look at what you are showing to media that is your house. Are you ashamed of yourself? You this nincompoop. Attitude. Are you ashamed of yourself? Old man without no sense. Old man with empty brain. Go no way in your bo. Shut up! Lawa, Gary Saif, Gary fuck, man. Gary fuck. On our show mighty bao. A man that is tikawoto. The man will stand there. Make you. You know that kind of a man is a bullshit man. This man is a fucked up man. You are a heck. You be fuck. You are ashamed of your disgusting life you have been living for so many years. Where are your kids? Where are your first children? Did you take care of your children? Shut up. Get lost. Junkie without money. Junkie that has money. Look at your body. You look like a madman. You will be one leave this woman that day. You be not one leave this woman run follow another woman. Before the woman come shout, come and say, hey, that one collect lazy man for your hand, though. Hey, that one collect lazy man for your hand, though. Oh, what thought? Look at the place where you are living. You have been living in this house for so many years. You couldn't change any property that you made in this house. It still remained the same. You're on social media ranting, shouting. Because irrelevant men and irrelevant women, they are there supporting your stupidity. You people, you not F. No more that one. Look at this house. Look at this place. Look at this place. This thing you are seeing here is paperwork. He has been in this place for years now. This man, he cannot change the place where he's living. Already Facebook will do a back man. Look at the place you have been living for years. See, look at the place you have been living for years. Look. You moved to a lady house. The property that you saw on that house for so many years. You don't even change any property. You don't change television. You don't change even the small thing in that house. Stool. You don't change stool. You're on social media, rowdy, a shame and disgrace. Poor, I spit on your face. You are a disgrace. Get inside, lost. Sparice. Maleducato. Away, Atiti. Where are your kids? Did you give your children good education? Do you give your children fatherly love? No. On social media, there you go. They claim say now you can better pass Atiti. It will be done. Look at. Just look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. You are proud of what? Shut up. Get lost. I made a beauty and why you talk. I born one. No sense. See one bini man when they Holland go one no more your talk. That they ask away for Simon to you us. Oh well, tell me where people they say where they can hear now me go. And when I saw now because they didn't expected that. And I saw see how so foolish. Your media out there making money. They make money. Okay, for how many years now you left your wife and your children? Wait till you don't acquire for life. What have you built for so many years? Oma, you know that he built. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Oh, one equal just bo. Oh, one equal bo. Now you carry come. And even now, just 3-bedroom flats. You gotta say, a 3-bedroom flat. Me no, which 3-bedroom flat? Maybe 3-bedroom flat. And this one now, when they say, now you cannot be get the house. We know if you want to open in Yash now, we will see open now. We know where that house day. My wife can know one waje. I be more open you. Disgrace. The woman that is even living with you, I hate for that woman, no. I hate that woman. I give no back that woman bosa. Okoni try. You are just an empty vessel. A poor stinking man. Ukman of yoyo na Nigeria, neither they post clothes, can they give away they wear. He cannot buy cloth for abroad. Say he 200 or they buy cloth. Now Abba made of yoyo. Atutu. Wemwe. Rise. I've never seen a man that trouble got the riser. And to build something in life, not the riser. It doesn't move with what his mate is doing. If you want to preach, you gotta say, no but walking out. You build where I build in then where everywhere man woo so why. A lot of parents down in Nigeria, they have die and leave their house for their children. You know, mommy go your boy and I work your boy. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Who you they advise? It that the advice when they give it that make that still useless. The way when it is useless. Or atikayo to look at Lucian. Ukponomu yona na okrika. Abamed. Wanunua. This man, that woman went there with her father. That woman they trial. This irrelevant man. This one a narcissist. Irrelevant man. Go they shout.
Your house for Bini.
Do you have any? Did you have any? Look at the place you have been living for so many years. You moved down from Spain to Germany. You have been living in this house for so many years. Past 10 years. The house still remained the same. This is your background. People will know that you are not a man. You see this your background. This is where people will know that you are not a man. Obonovi be with him. You moved to this house years back. Can't reach today. The house still look the same. As a man, you don't change any property in that house. When Almighty change a property in a house where you live in abroad, where can I be why in Nigeria? Where teta stretch mark, or bene katulele ya. Right anywhere when stretch mark there for body go put tattoo. Anywhere when stretch mark there for body go very soon as stretch mark go enter your face. You go they use tattoo to the design face. You go they tell people, so you go ayagbele tattoo, you go ayagbele tattoo, you go ayagbele tattoo. Very anyhow illiterate man, sucks illiterate for that. School, where were you? College, where were you? Primary school, where were you when you reached time for you to saga? What is his name again? Atiti. It's like he got a proof say he's educated more than Atiti, and he knows nothing. Every word, every English that he uses is past tense, and he's doing something with present tense, and he's bringing past. This one that cannot even express himself in English. Atiti is an illiterate. What are you? The biggest illiterate on this hair. Look at the way we have van on hair. I wish you are not an illiterate. Look at the way. Look at how you are devastated. Why do you always being devastated whenever a party send message for you? You just want them to hear only your own. Atiti is not talking. You just want the Atiti talk barok, but Atiti not they talk anything. Atiti not they. And you want to prove that he's more educated more than Atiti. Atiti is a bobo. Where no a bobo where he. If they want to send both of you to school, both of you have to stay in the same class because both of you are on the same level. You are on the same level. You are not lenient more than Atiti. You are not lenient more than Atiti. You are the same F. F. Shut up. How many Binima who carry out in Nyanegbe? A real responsible Binima, it doesn't Nyanegbe like this. Even look like the rest Bini men. When they this thing, manage. Should I mention them? Should I name them for you? They don't piss up the way you piss up. Copan fool.
Give me house. You say collect house from me. I don't know house where they give you. I don't know house where they give you or where they collect from you. I don't know house where they give you, where they collect from
this
you.
This man is a shege. One can barakun where agbeya. Look at him. Oh, I set a fit. If you see him for ordinary ground, somebody say, say, Mama, lovely. Say that little rat. When he did Germany, when they talk to you, once I say, if you see him for ground, so dirty. Say if you see color, he say, oh my God. What you want most of social media? What you color no want most of social media? And now go tell the person say now light neither they on. He say if you see how ye thing. I see they do this video now is zoom camera. No, I see. When I see the one I tell they zoom this camera so. Whatever I zoom a camera, you can't allow you see. You can't allow zoom a camera. They will zoom their camera. Oh well, yo ye thing now small man very short. Oh, we here 90 Miss Dwarf. Say here. Oh, well, oh, well, God now. Look at the place where you live. You have been this house now over how many years? Getting to 15 years. What do you change in this house where you live? Nothing. This man have been in Europe for how many years? All he made don't renew passport, European passport 2 times. He has nothing to show. He has nothing to show. Moving from Spain to Germany, that was the end of his life. That was the downfall. I send you a gear way and so it go be for your body for the rest of your life. Where me I am useless. There is no man. They are set when you call Europe when they don't take care of children. They are useless. They end up being useless. Okay.
That's when they give you, when they collect for you, I don't know. When last I checked, this is my house in Benin City.
See as when person they show. It be like us where Kakana pair build. You are a bullshit man. I go where Bogwala. Is it not a shame? For years you've been in Europe. Where is your children? You didn't care for your children. You didn't take care of your children. You didn't labor for your children. You always sat down. You start making noise. I went for years. You have been in Europe 30 years. Look at what you are showing. Your men do not show this kind of house again. That they show their empire, their business. Look at the bullshit. Yeah, you call this house. You call this house. This is a not be evil in herself. You just want to make shakara. That house now, make you enter this thing now, make you navigate where that house now day for Benin. If you see an rent, now you go rent, or you just want to show the house. Look, after years, this man couldn't take care of his children. You don't call Europe, you don't waste that space. Space one another person for take on Europe made for maker. This man waste it. No, where answer. When he want to present the house, he say if you build 2 room or well, if you build 2 room or well, because you know what is coming to show people. Ibieka bolomu no ninia ibieki ikpia ni ada like webo. Now you they take out after 30 years. Where you can't spend your life? They'll say, where did you spend your life? Bring it, let's see it. This is the place where you spend life. Anyway, a child want to inherit father property. This one when Ray go soon wash out. A foolish man.
House in Benin City.
They don't they laugh. Yeah, the people they are laughing at you. Yeah, it will be done.
Bro, show your house for Benin. Not your boy.
Now house now you show so. A mother that have been in Europe for how many decades? You couldn't take care of your children. You are just a liability. The dirty one of that liability. But now Nigeria have already made that back cloth giver from Nigeria. They are back Igbo made cloth. I push her with a liter and a heavy varekube. I push her gear. Look, you ask when you go to market now whether this cloth go any shop, whether this cloth there any shop. This is Abba made. Abairin I feel a collar. They want to dip this thing in fien we not fien boba. Ya bag mama ya Your mate, shut up. Your mate that they trade their children. We mibo wa via moto that they carry they go different place. Academic. Mary that have something in their head. Oh, Avano. You say now you want to know how to fan. No, Avano just want to use a dirty voice. That is sticky voice. That voice when you know they add something to his life. You just want to use and take chase person. Make the person go back to his share. Just want to say na in there and I mean no pass. Shout your the Come and show us the house when you don't build sis, when you there abroad. And let men show their house when they don't build. And the men, when they will show the house when they don't build. And the men, go still tell you, say, see where their children they. See where their children they. Wait till if you do nothing. Nothing. Your men, men like you, now they pay for their children driving license. Men like you, now they pay for their children money when they put in for passport. Odo agbagba won are so legal, it will be done. So irritating, so annoying, so disgust. How can this one, how can a reasonable woman live with this kind of a man? Very lazy ass man. But not lazy, fucked up nigga. Will you get lost? Park, it's about poor. Shift. You know, making sense. It will be.
Ajepkako, not be your mate. This one, show your house for Bini.
Shut up. Your mate, they show us there. Show wait till they give them money. See wait till you go, they show. Your mate, they show. Another house, now, no people still get her. You know, she say, his friend, don't beat on now they find waiting, want to shift, Atiti now go still go, Atiti still go find one house. May you still come show and say, Ajepkako, see my house. Cause you are full of lie. They are disaster. A father without no children. A fathers when they abandon their children. Shame on you guys. Shame on you. If you were evil, where are your kids? Where are your first children? Where are they? They know their own. They are so selfish. Selfishness. Now be their this thing. They'll come, they say, I get this. By this time, mama, they use this as, we're not wait 30 years. Now you they can show 30 years. You are a disgrace, a failure, a disgrace to Edo community. You are a disgrace to Edo State's men. Poor. A spat on your face.
Your fans where they watch you, make them tell you now, say, Ajepkako don't contest to show your house for Benin.
Wait till you take contest. Or White House or show. I will say you show house, now you show the White House. Look at the house. You see house when you say you show that one house. White House. Where my me bo wayan 3 bedroom. You go see and no aspendi go jo. There is on 3 bedroom never so a bon 3 bedroom flat in where I'm new. Contractor will say, engineer will say money enter this house. See the one when they even they bring on say no be you. This one when no fee see money, see oyeve me no frustrating and we work her. Look like a dying chimpanzee, a frustrated chimpanzee. Look at him. Don't devastated. Don't fool everywhere. Don't scatter. He's looking for how he's going to put himself together. He's a devastated being. Moron.
99. That one go too much. Now let's go to another dimension.
Because you don't have anything to show. What Titi? You don't have anything to show at Titi. You do not have. When you can't show my Titi. Juliet, you are where Okba Wahin. Say na this year, Guan can't have Waji. Where are la Titi? You when they say Titi, they were one room. Say, since Titi Europe, Titi never get 2 flat. You not even get document or even rent room. You where ye? The house when you did, now you get can. Not be woman get the house. No Titi, he got.
I celebrate my house on my birthday in this manner the day I did this video like this.
People wait who get house there. They don't they put them for. Oh, well, so you may only a big guy. A big guy for a village. You call you go ya bowa your betan. Well, show. Look at what she look at what this guy. Our skeleton, I am one of Yambosi. The skeleton of house, I can't one of Yambosi. Why you dead? You see the skeleton of the house, it go fine. If we go west, sure, now the aluminium zinc in where ya, ni aya ziko one where show now. Look at the aluminium zinc failure. The aluminium zinc, and now where we're over.
You don't see him. I don't show video when my mama take dance for my house almost 3-4.
Shut up, Metas. Your mama not the dance for this when you put her orphanage. Your mama is a dancer. If you wear bouquet, you wear him. Or bouquet le musician. You can show it now. Maybe a Denny away where we were you were not a dog bouquet. They said that your mother is a bouquet le musician, is a dancer. Do not bring your mother to your bullshit. It will be done. Can't they fool yourself?
You're not blind, you see him. Big or small, my house is my mansion.
This one mates, beneath me that guy host here. If you reach this place, where University of Benin day, houses when they there. Now your mates get houses when the students they rent. Your mates, that is host here. Now your mates get her. Your mate now get her. On the huemu no raveki or tori. Well, no, why always book more? Well, what are you bringing on social media when people go believe you again? You are a shameless man. Shameless man. All the men that throw their children away when they don't feel take care of their children, they are all useless. No one way good in a more waladan ikmagiri or sowa muladian or sowa. They will bring us someone who come and you will say, what is this? Is this a house? That is the Ogbo. That is the Ogbo nihi. Aniyowa. Foolish barbaric animal.
House tomorrow. Not show your family house. Because if you show your family house,
because
we must see your picture for the city room.
Which city room? They're not people picture.
See the picture for your city room.
Now the one when you rent now. Now rent you rent, huh? Shut up, etas. Azua. Now why etane won't enter house. Etas. Oh. Abby. Why people may shift come up for that side? Oh, why not they move back, Barry? My bupo.
Hey, mom, we really think
when they give you, when they collect from you. I don't know house where they give you, where they collect from you. I don't know.
Oh, okay, cut off, will be done.
Present away, not get house. Show your house for Benin.
You not get shut up. Now because they say now that one now. They'll come they say, I get house, show me your house. I get house, show me your house. I get house, show me. You not get to. This 2026 now. Now waiting another presenter they fight another presenter last year. Now they break on. They don't they use house they fight people for how many years? Now me be the first presenter. When they use the document, they fight. When they use house, they fight. And now, Bera, now you they do, you are a failure. Pwah! Wherever they don't have can't give Atiti advice. Okay, if Atiti can't bring a house, come out now, you go shame. If Atiti now say, he bring a house, come out. Make I show you Atiti house. Let me show you Atiti house. Do you know what, Let's go, because Atiti house, this my phone. May I show Ajepkako Atiti house? Whether you no go, they say, hey, Atiti, which time you debut this house? They tell you Atiti no get house. Atiti no go. Atiti no go. Oh, we a mass Atiti. If I show you Atiti house, you'll say Atiti take it when I go ya bowa. Me I can't show you. I know show all. Wait, make I show you. You when say you don't finish your house, you don't paint your house. See color when you take paint your house. In this one not even build house self. This one not build house. Benin man when build house. Where I'm your warrior boy. You go make poa. It will be wait. We are coming back again. Let me show this mumuma. The time when Atiti send the house for me, when Atiti don't they do his house. Wait, make I show you the house. I will come back again. Follow me. More invite this mumuma. Come make I show her Atiti house.